Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2015 and I'm joined by Jean-Noel and Leigh, both from Inventec.
Inventec Specialty Chemicals.
Both from Inventec now. You're originally from Amtec. Amtec have recently been acquired by Inventec. Tell me a bit about how that came about and the story behind that.
Of course. Amtec and Inventec had a long relationship that went back a number of years in the solder powder business as well as flux and chemistries. We understood and knew Inventec for a very long time. Amtec was a small company, family company, started by my family many years ago. We service our customers well, but we got to a point where we felt that we needed to have a lot more backing globally to really meet the needs of our customer base. And since we knew Inventec for so long, it was a perfect fit.
Okay. And from your point of view, Jean-Noel, what made you pick these guys?
Our point of view, Inventec was a global player already in Europe, in Mexico, in Asia. Mm-hmm. And we wanted to be in the US market for different reasons, and we were looking for a partner we could work with. Same thing, Amtec was known by Inventec. There were relationships, complementary product lines. Mm-hmm. They have some great products. We have other products, and together we thought we would be a good fit. So we approached Leigh, we talked for a while, and decided to do that together.
Yeah, and the relationship is built from there. So tell me a bit what it means. Let's start with a typical Amtec customer. What does it mean to them? What have they got access to now, perhaps, that they didn't have access to before?
Well, first and foremost, Amtec has always served its customers by listening to its customers' needs. We've always been not quick to react, but to listen and really understand the needs of the customer. With Inventec, we have a global network of technological expertise, chemists, scientists, but expand the product line not just with a solder paste, but high reliability solder paste, cleaning solutions both on a maintenance level and a precision cleaning level, conformal coating. So really, Inventec brings a lot of depth to the product line for our customers.
Yeah, absolutely. And from your point of view, you're bringing stuff in from Amtec. You've also got this greenway strategy that's been very successful. How do they fit in? How do they fit in with that whole greenway thing?
I see. So first of all, we bring solutions to the Amtec customers. So it's important for Amtec customers to know that basically we're going to make this place better, more products, more solutions, complete range, etc. Also, coming to the US is for us a way to grow, geographically, and it's a way to get access to some headquarters in the US that have manufacturing abroad. So it doesn't mean necessarily we're going to grow business in the US, but we can have qualifications, work with customers here to supply in Europe and Asia. The US market is also interesting for us because it's a lot of it is about high reliability, military, high reliability applications, which is what Inventec really is all about. So it's actually a very good fit all around. And to answer your question about Greenway, so Greenway is something that's been done by Inventec for a number of years. Being green, checking the reliability of your suppliers, doing the right thing all the way. It was a little bit before its time for a while in Europe. But it pays off because today what you see, first of all, there is a movement, in favor of regulations and a movement in general in favor of greener products and more environmentally, respectful products. But also a lot of large companies, especially, but also smaller companies start to recognize the overall quality that you get from suppliers that make that a priority. So it's not just being green, but it's because you have to be green, you have to do it right all the way. Pick the right supplies, the right materials, the right suppliers. And we think it actually fits very well with the global customers we work with worldwide and the number of Americans.
And from your point of view, does the whole green approach, is that different in America than in Europe? Because I've sensed in the past that they don't exactly see it the same way.
No, it is true. I think the customers see it differently here, but we still have to deal with global companies and global OEMs that have to adopt a different strategy than maybe the smaller shops. So while it may be slower to be adopted here, big multinational companies like the Apples, they have no choice. They have to adopt that process, and we have it available to them now.
I agree. I think this was a nice to have in the US. People used to say green is fine, but people don't care. They're not going to pay for it. They might not pay for it, but now they care. And so if you don't have it, you won't sell. And so you do need to do that. So I think Inventec was quite smart to put that into their strategy ahead of time, into their product lines. And
it makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, well, it looks like a great relationship, exciting going forward.
Good.
This is your first exhibition together, I guess?
It is.
It is. So that's pretty exciting itself. Thanks for stopping by to chat. Good luck with the show.
Thank you.
Good luck with the new venture, and I look forward to speaking to you together, maybe at Productronica, where we can see what it looks like in the market after 8 or 9 months.
Sure.
Very good.
But thanks for your time. Thanks, Leigh.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
John.